dirt's worst nightmare. The 3-in-1 mop that makes floors sparkle like new. Ever feel like your floors are secretly conspiring against you, collecting dust, pet hair, and mystery stains overnight? Say hello to the CLEANHOME 3-in-1 Floor Mop, the ultimate cleaning sidekick designed to tackle hardwood, tile, and marble floors with ease. With 3 different washable mop pads, this bad boy is ready for wet or dry cleaning, from soaking up spills to trapping fine dust. Whether it's pet hair, muddy footprints, or that suspicious sticky spot, this mop has your back. Plus, with an extendable 55 inches handle, bending down and back pain are officially cancelled. Unlike flimsy mops that fall apart after a few swipes, this one means business. Crafted with a sturdy, lightweight telescopic pull, it adjusts from 44 inches to 55 inches for maximum user comfort. Whether you're 5 feet 2 inches or 6 feet 5 inches, you can mop like a pro. The 360 degrees rotating head slides effortlessly under furniture, making dust bunnies a thing of the past. Each mop pad has a unique power: chenille for dry dusting, twisted microfiber for deep cleaning, and polyester microfiber for tackling stubborn stains. No more switching tools, this all-in-one mop does it all. Why throw money away on disposable mop pads when you can reuse these? The 3 included mop pads are machine washable, so you can clean smarter, not harder. Just pop them in the wash, and they're ready for another round. Plus, the easy buckle design makes switching pads a breeze. Unlike single-use paper mops that waste money over time, this eco-friendly solution saves you cash while keeping your floor spotless. Your wallet, and the planet, will thank you. Ever struggled with mops that refuse to cooperate? This mop is engineered for convenience. The installation is simple, just follow the assembly guide, and you're good to go. The flexible design means you can reach under sofas, into corners, and along baseboards without a struggle. With a solid metal handle and premium mop heads, this mop isn't just practical, it's built to last. No more broken poles or cheap plastic handles that snap under pressure. So, if you're tired of mops that don't live up to their promises, it's time for an upgrade. The CLEANHOME 3-in-1 mop isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a game changer. From kitchens to bathrooms, hardwood to marble, it gets the job done faster and better than the rest. Say goodbye to streaky floors and hello to a cleaner, shinier home with half the effort. Ready to make cleaning effortless? Grab yours today and mop like a boss.